Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are at Tynemouth Classic Car Show, and what a setting it's in. It's in the Priory Castle. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful here. But take a look around, as you can see behind me. It's a little bit windy today, so I'm trying to keep out the wind. So yeah, let's hope it's going to be a good turnout. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's the Great North Run today as well in Newcastle. So there should be a good footfall today. So anyway, let's see. Nice TR6 coming in. Here's a Triumph Stag. Nice cars. Okay, 120 or a 140. That's nice.
When you run it, I've got a bit put to a drive and that must be done quite east with me. Bless him. Can't guarantee you'll get out this, right? Must kidnap me, I'm just coming up.
No, I'm done and not to boot it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice Mark II Jaguar. And we've got a Citroen. Plenty of cars in here now. Let's have a flaunch around. TR4's nice. There's my stag.
Yeah, I'll catch you later. No problem.
Yeah, really like that. It's a nice car. Right guys, that's the end of the show. What a fantastic show it's been. It's just starting to rain a little bit now. Everyone's on the way. You can see behind me. They're all going. But it's been fantastic because we've had the added bonus of having the red arrows fly overhead, which has been absolutely fantastic. So anyway, on that note, see you tomorrow. Yeah, you know how to jump it. Do you know how to jump it? Second gear. You'll have to get some people to help push. Hang on. I'll gather some people up. Right guys, see this guy behind me here? He needs some help. Again. Who's he going to ask? He's going to ask Jason.